Complete the following installation with the door open. Make sure the latch is inserted in the proper direction with the up arrow pointing up. To extend the latch to 2 3/4, hold the latch with your left hand. Rotate and pull the latch extension plate all the way out. Once extended, rotate the cylinder back to the original aligned position. Insert the deadbolt latch into the door. Make sure the faceplate sits flush on the door. Do not force the latch. Using the 2 screws provided, screw the latch into the door. Do not use a drill, only a handheld screwdriver. Do not fully tighten for later adjustment. The deadbolt latch must be retracted during installation. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, extend and retract the latch to ensure smooth operation. Remove the battery cover by sliding the cover upward. Remove the screw holding the mounting plate to the interior assembly. Insert both mounting posts to the mounting plate. Install the exterior assembly onto the door while guiding the control wire under the latch. The tailpiece must go through the latch in the vertical position. Secure lock front to the door with low-tack tape when installing alone. Route the control wire through the slot in the mounting plate. Place the mounting plate against the door and secure to the exterior assembly using provided screws. Do not fully tighten for later adjustment. Check the rubber gasket is properly aligned and test the lock by turning the tailpiece smoothly. Extend and retract the latch. Tighten all screws securely. Do not over-tighten. Retest the lock. If there's an issue, loosen, readjust, and tighten again. Carefully insert the control wire into the wire connector. Make sure the connector dots and the wire dots are both on the same facing. Do not force. Make sure the knob is in the vertical position. Insert the vertical position tailpiece into the interior assembly and carefully push the interior assembly against the door. Be careful not to pinch the control wire during assembly. Using provided screws, attach the interior assembly to the mounting plate. Do not over-tighten. With the door remaining open, insert 4 AA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment. The lock motor will engage and do a series of locking and unlocking motions to determine the handing of the door.